Hello class 2. Good morning. So, you all know what we are going to do today? Yes. Today we are going to do multiplication table of 2 to 5. Okay. So, table of 2, 3, 4 and 5 we have to do in our class work. Okay. Or you can do class table of 2 and 3 in your classwork and 4 and 5 in your homework. Is it okay? Okay, that will be more okay for you. So what we'll do, you have to do multiplication table of 2 and 3 in your classwork and table of 4 and 5 in your homework. Understood? So what we have to do, as we have not done multiplication table, so we'll start doing our multiplication table as we have completed our syllabus of first term. After doing this, from next week we are going to do our revision of the syllabus. Let's start the table. Now, multiplication table of 2. How you write multiplication table? Full you have to write with the giving sign of multiply. 2 ones are 2. You have to write in box copy. You have box copy formats, so you write in that box copy. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18 and 2 tens are 20. Like this, full you have to write in each box. You have box copy, so you will write in one box 2, in another box multiplication symbol, then 1, another box equal to sign, and then this answer. And when we pronounce this, how we pronounce? 1 times 2 is equal to 2, 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 3 times 2 is equal to 6, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, 5 times 2 is equal to 10, 6 times 2 is equal to 12, 7 times 2 is equal to 14, 8 times 2 is equal to 16, 9 times 2 is equal to 18 and 10 times 2 is equal to 20. So easy, na? You all have learned this table in class 1 also? Yes. And now we are going to start our table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. Speak with me, okay children? 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. So easy. Now, when we do oral of this, 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 6 times 3 is equal to 18, 7 times 3 is equal to 21, 8 times 3 is equal to 24, 9 times 3 is equal to 27 and 10 times 3 is equal to 30. So easy, na? So in classwork, you also have to speak like this and you have to write the table of 2 and 3 in your maths copy. What is for your homework? In homework, you have to write table of 4 and 5 in similar pattern. You have to write this full. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, like this, and 5 also. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, like this. So this is your homework. Date is 17/7/2020 and this is our classwork. So you also have to write this multiplication table in your maths copy and learn the table. Oral it, speak the table, write, speak it and write. Then it will be very easy for you to memorize the table. And I hope you all have learned this table and you all know this. So this is our simply revision of multiplication table. Okay, in our next class we'll start multiplication table from 6. Okay, 6 onwards we'll do in our next class. So for today's work you have to do this as classwork and this as homework. Take care. Bye bye. See you in our next class.